Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by assessing the bag chain where it connects to the bag or frame. You want to find bent links, a missing master link, or a pin pushed out. Once identified, clear the area and lay out tools: an 8mm wrench, needle nose pliers, and chain tool. You should remove tension from the chain first so it's loose. This lets you work safely. Make sure to note chain direction and orientation before removing any parts so reassembly returns it to proper alignment. You now remove the damaged section using the chain tool. Position the link squarely and push the pin out slowly to avoid splitting the plate. Once free, replace the bad link with a new link or fit a master link. Make sure the open side of the master link faces the correct travel direction. After seating the pin or clip, press links together and check that the chain moves smoothly. If the chain tool compresses the pin slightly, back it out fractionally so the joint has proper flex. Finish by retensioning the chain to the recommended slack and verifying alignment. You should see even seating on sprockets and free articulation through each link. Test incrementally under load, pull or ride slowly while listening for catching or tight spots. If you still hear noise or feel skips, shut down and check sprocket teeth for wear or a damaged bag mount that shifts chain line. The key troubleshooting tip: a stiff joint can often be freed with light lubrication and flexing. If not, replace the affected link or the entire chain.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.